Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Alabama pecan bread. I love pecans and so I figured I'd try this recipe. It's fairly simple. Let's get started. You're going to need a cup of sugar, cup of white sugar, and a cup of finely packed brown sugar, a cup of vegetable oil, and we're going to put in 4 eggs. Got 4 eggs here. I'm just going to beat them up a little bit. Okay, we'll put that in there. And we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix that together. Then we're going to put in 1½ cups of self-rising flour and mix that together. And we're going to scrape it, get it all mixed in. I've got 2 8x4 pans that I've sprayed with cooking spray, or you can put a little bit of Crisco on it or butter or anything to make sure it don't stick. And then we're going to put 2 cups of pecans. That's why it's called pecan bread. We're going to mix that in. Have them fairly chopped up, but not pulverized. Our oven is preheated to 350. That's what the batter will look like. Okay, I'm going to smooth it out. Be sure it's level. We're going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. But since it's smaller pans, we're going to check them at about 30 to see how it is. We took the bread out of the oven. It was in there for 40 minutes. I think I would take it out at 35. It all depends on your oven. This is what it looks like. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's take a little bit. It is good. Those pecans, that sugary top crust It was unbelievable. So I hope you try this. It came out perfect in a 8x4 pan, and we had 2 of them. And so this is what it looks like as a whole. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and God bless. Down in the comments, tell me what your favorite bread is. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe for more cooking videos. Like and share this video. Leave a comment on what you want to see next.